Hey guys, welcome back to another Fishing with DK video. Again, this is some old footage from the summer with some creek fishing. And yeah, so today we're doing some basic smallmouth fishing, kind of similar to the previous videos that you guys have probably seen. If you're new here, I do some fishing videos, some underwater videos, and today we're just doing some creek fishing like I said. Also, if you're new, make sure to like and subscribe. I'm trying to build a YouTube channel, so if you guys enjoy the videos, make sure to subscribe to see some more videos in the future. And yeah, so I'm just kind of looking around for frogs at this time during the video, and then I'm pitching them across the creek to see if we can hook up on some good smallmouth. So I'll jump back in with the voiceover when needed, but hope you guys enjoy the video.
You are not going to cast far enough, are you? Oh, got eaten anyway. How did you just eat a whole frog? How? Tell me how you did that. Because that's really interesting to me. Finally, good cast. Oh, I think it's me that just got destroyed.
You did. I watched it.
Quit taking my... There's a good smallie. Running all the way up the shore. There's some power in it. Oh, he's got it all wrapped around. No. Don't do that, dude. Don't do that. Come here. Chill out. You gotta relax. Oh, he's not ready yet. Stop. Just come right here. Come here. Keeps running away. Let him tire himself out. Beautiful fish. Relax. There we go, baby. So many smallmouth today. Look at that, barely hooked in the corner of the mouth. Now that's a pretty fish, guys. Beautiful smallmouth right there. Absolutely beautiful. Alright, let's get a good release on him here. Usually I'm gonna revive him first. So I like to give him a little drag back and forth, and then the current. There he goes. Awesome, dude.
Pretty solid day on the creek. Thanks for tuning into this video. If you're new, make sure to subscribe, click the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.